Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. You can take it from me, must be at your mind.
Wow. What is this session? Happy Friday. Just zipped out, and how's the conditions? Unbelievable. So I'm out with Lee, and Paul's come up after work tonight. First cast. I got a Gulp Fire Tiger. I think that's the colour. I don't know, I just pulled it out. First packet that came in hand. I'm whacking it out. Hopefully we can get something on. First cast would be good too. You know. Oh, it's a snapper for sure. Tidy things up here, or you go? I think
it'll be alright, eh?
Oh, is the net ready? I'll get the net ready.
Yeah, that sky looks sick behind you.
We didn't pick it up, eh? Had it in free spool.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, you caught it before you clicked it over, eh?
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, and it's gone.
Oh no, I just saw it too.
What was it?
It was a snapper for sure.
Oh, snippety snap.
I saw it, you could see him just there in the background, and he...
Bugger.
Oh, there we go. In the same clip.
Wow.
Alright, this will do.
Didn't even stop recording.
This is how Friday night should be done, eh, I reckon? If the weather was like this every Friday, it'd be good.
All we need is a bit of pizza and football and
oh my god, do you know how much pizza I ate for lunch today? It was ridiculous. Oh, what's this guy doing? Is he in the...
That's probably a problem.
Is he swimming circles?
I don't know what he's done. I think he's done me.
Nah, come on, don't.
No.
That's unsnapper like.
He's done me, eh?
Dew bag.
Yeah.
No, it's done me.
Go easy on him, because he might come out.
That's just the swell now.
Maybe free spool and see if he swims out.
Oh, jeez. That was the squid.
Did you just get a hit then too?
Yeah.
Did you lose him? I know you free spool.
I'm just going to free fall him for a
Oh!
bit. Oh.
Same clip.
The squid.
Still rolling. I'm not going to stop
he is.
rolling because it's just hookups galore.
It's all happening.
Oh, has he got you as well?
I got him.
What's going on? Oh,
Oh.
they could be kingies.
Oh no, my one pinched me in the bottom.
Yeah, they could be kingfish. We've caught kings here before.
Oh, and he's gone.
Gone.
Oh, serious? Do we even fish?
Yeah.
You still got this one on?
No, he's gone. Hey, he's in the bottom. He's done me in the bottom.
Yeah. That could be kings, though.
Yeah, kingies. We've caught kingies here.
That one stitched me 100%, eh?
Look where it broke on the leader. That's ridiculous.
Oh no.
That
Yeah,
doesn't
that's-
happen very
Yeah,
often.
It's
okay.
just the rocks has done that to you. How can he do that? Just
Should bring out the heavy one
I'm
with the
getting
jig
the
on.
80 pound out now.
2 seconds
Come back,
later,
pick it up,
there's
pick it
another
up,
one.
Pick it up, pick it up. There he is.
Put the herd on him.
Oh, I don't know if I got bait.
That's
on.
Getting smashed too. Hang on a minute. Let me get in here.
Whoa.
Oh, these are decent fish, eh? I don't know.
These can't be snapper.
I don't know if they are snapper. They're
This
going
is a
straight
school
for
or
the
something
dirty
else.
reef. As minute you hook them,
Sambos or kingies or something.
look at him going straight over to the reef. Oh, get out of there, buddy.
Wow.
That's not where I want you particularly. Oh, nah. Hang on, half time, change sides.
Half time.
Want me to get out of the water?
You're good, you're good. He's just... Oh, I can feel rocks.
Gotta go hard, eh?
It feels like he's a bit too big to go hard on 20 pound. I don't want to go much harder than I'm going. That's not a snapper.
Careful bending that rod.
That hit my gulp as well.
So it's,
Yeah, you
it's
gotta
not
be-
a shark either
Gotta
then.
be careful with the hooks, really.
You got him sideways now.
I haven't got him, he's
No,
got me,
he's got you,
100%. He's got me on the anchor rope now. Well,
Are you kidding me?
we wanted an afternoon session. Looks like we're getting one.
It's an afternoon workout.
Chaos.
Oh no. I might have to do a dance around the front here.
We've done it before. That's a good fish.
Oh yeah, he's got some
Got a bit of something.
Yeah, he's under the
Bit of
boat,
curry.
under the rope. Oh, where's he going now? Under the boat.
Are you doing my
You're
trick?
gonna have to
opening
do
the
a
boat, or
switch.
Do you want to go up? Do you want me to go up there and help
Yeah.
you?
Can you go up there?
Yeah.
Oh, he's under the rope.
You under or over it?
Yeah, he's under. Yeah.
No, he's over it.
Got it? Yep.
That's teamwork.
At least he's gone out into deep water.
Oh yeah, you're getting lines on him now.
Yeah, that's very kingfishish.
I don't know that I have got him,
Sambolicious.
you know.
Yeah, or Sambo. Hope it's a kingy. That big monster king was at the same spot here.
Yeah, right.
So
No, it wasn't. It was over there more, but...
was it? Well, like close to you.
Oh, how was that big head shake?
Yeah, that's its head in the reef.
Yeah. Yeah, I can feel it.
That's the full king action, like putting its head into the rock.
Might want to just back off just to...
You reckon?
Yeah, well if he comes back in, button him up again, but
I feel like I've just got nothing on him now.
time you've got.
Wow.
Oh,
How's those big... When he gets angry, he gets angry. Well, you should whack another bait out.
yeah,
I got one out.
Paul's on the job.
Oh, well, quiet.
He's just stopped now. He just
Yeah.
doesn't want to come.
Your first fish was definitely a snapper though, because I saw it. So,
Yeah, right.
but these aren't. I don't know what this is.
I feel like he's done me, hey.
Again.
No, he's still going.
He's not moving anymore though, he's just stationary.
Stingray and yeah.
No, it was a no stingray, that hit me like mid-water.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm just saying he's stingraying you. He's moving still.
Yeah.
Could be.
Oh, I thought it was another hookup.
It could be 10 kilos.
How was that for like a little period there, though? Like, what, 3-4 hookups in a row?
Yeah, I didn't stop recording. We had like 4 hookups. Yeah.
Gold.
And then I stopped recording. And then you had 2 more straight after.
No, you've got this fish. You've got him.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got to be getting tired now, surely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel he's getting tired. But... it's just whether he decides to stitch me in the reef or not, because I feel like he could do it if he wanted to.
Fish of redemption here.
Come on.
Is that on the Gulf as well?
Yeah.
Oh. That's very kingfish-like then, eh?
Yeah. Oh.
Plastics.
Sambos as well.
Do you often get sambos out of your boat?
No, which is really strange because I'd expect to get a lot of sambos doing what we do, and we just don't for some reason. Oh, I can feel him rubbing the bottom, eh?
I can see the rod moving on the... That was me.
It's flying like a golden.
Yeah.
Big leper. How's the conditions, but far out? When does this happen?
Tonight. Right now.
Righto.
Take it in.
You couldn't ask for better on a Friday afternoon.
You winning?
No, I just feel like I'm getting nothing on him, eh?
Wow, that's a good fish, whatever it is.
Yeah, just stress away. You just want to see it.
Oh, I'm happy just...
Nah, come on, you're not happy.
Oh,
you want to see it.
Yeah, I do want to see it, but I'm happy just to get a good run like this.
I'll be happy if I get a good one like that. So I'm going to chuck mine in.
Yeah, get...
Oh, this guy's
Oh, how... Oh!
unstoppable. What is... Oh, you dummy. He must see that. He saw a bommy there, I reckon. I reckon he saw refuge and he went, I'm going for that.
There's only one thing.
No.
Whoa! That just...
King City.
Ew! Here we go.
On again.
Are we going to actually get a fish to the boat tonight? Because it's kind of seeming like not. Oh, that one's seeming like it is.
I don't know. That's
It's
still...
seeming a bit more manageable.
You sure?
Oh, maybe.
Oh yeah, maybe. That's probably a good snapper, I think. Nasty head shape.
Yeah, it's really want to get that hook out.
Yeah,
Just fed it to it though.
yeah.
Here we go. In between two lines here.
I'm almost hesitant to put a second line out.
I might have to just swing under there, yeah. Just at this little spot. Yeah, there it is. Pink eye.
Is it a ponko?
It is.
Yeah.
You
Is he
belty.
pinky ponky up?
Good water viz.
Lovely. Stay this way. Stay this way. Geez, that current is really ripping, eh?
Yeah, and it's going the opposite way to what I expected it to be too. Yeah, hey, at least we got a fish to the boat.
Oh yeah, and another one.
Oh.
Lee, grab that, Lee.
That's dinner sorted.
That is. Stoked.
Yeah. We were driving to the spot that we were heading to and we saw this school of bait busting up on the surface. As we drove over, it all showed up on the sounder. You can see now, Lee, show it on the sounder now. So we just stopped here. It's not really a spot that we've been to before. I've got another spot just over here that we're heading to, but we saw the bait. It was on a nice drop off that looked like what we'd normally fish. So we stopped here and look what's going on. We're on! No, we're not. Oh, not dead! Oh no!
Push him in. On.
Just like that. It was weird, it swam under the boat, eh?
Got tapped on the other rod too. Getting chips. Taps.
Another pinky, yeah? Double hookups. They're the norm, not the exception. It's a Jewy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I hope his size.
Nah,
Nah,
it's not.
it's alright. Still, they look cool.
Yeah, look how nice it is in the water.
So nice. It's a bit dark.
Only just not. But no, it's quite small.
Nice.
Big boy in the striped pajamas.
It is, the little
Nice.
beautiful fish. It's there.
Something's there. I just don't feel like it's on there. Smart. Oh, again. How many hits is this gulp getting that aren't hooking up?
On the bottom, eh?
It's pretty much right on the bottom, yeah. It's getting so many hits, they're just not hooking up.
Now we are talking.
All right,
On the heavy gear
now we've
too.
got one on the heavier gear. Hopefully I can stay connected to this one. Oh, this is another big fish.
Yeah.
All right,
No
that's
doubt
locked up.
about it.
And the gulp. And I'm doing
And the gulp's in as well.
I'm doing a kiss.
Oh.
Okay, let's not talk about that. All right, so I'm on 80-pound gear here now. On this little Abu, or the Abu's feeling the pain. It's got a bit of twist going on. $60 reel from Southside Boating and Fishing. They said hurt it, so we're going to do our best. Yeah, look at the flex it's got in the reel stem there. It's all right, but it's holding up. I haven't been able to break it.
See how long that lasts.
I don't know what I got on here. It's still there, where is it? It started off feeling like a decent fish. Now it's starting to feel like, oh, hang on, here we go.
Is he doing circles?
Oh, Paul's in over there.
Oh, what is
one of those lights. Oh, this is a tuna.
Another tuna.
It's a tuna.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
it's
a
a yellow fin. Jeez. Let me hang on. Oh, he's not ready yet, is he?
No, I've got him. He's here.
He's ready?
Yeah, this one's ready.
Oh, no, he's not ready. He's not ready.
No,
He's
I was
not
just
ready.
about lifting.
Got
There you
him. Yeah. Tuna!
Yellowfin.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Look at him. And meanwhile,
I'm getting handed to me, boys.
You're getting told over there, bro.
Paul's on a better one. You can see a tuna
my
as well.
word. Well, I don't
Yellow.
know, but it's a big fish.
Righto, yellowfin tuna. How sweet is that? He's going to go back while he's still going. Gone.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting your ass handed to you, eh? What a session, man. Yeah, I'm not sure we're going to get seeing this one, eh?
This could be.
Do you want me to clear that other rod for you? Is that other rod going to be a hassle?
Not yet. I think he's about 300 metres out, to be honest.
Wow, yeah, that's really smoked, eh?
Oh, that's a big fish, eh?
What?
Is it a tuna, you reckon?
If it is, it's huge. Well,
Yeah.
not huge, but just a proper one.
But
A proper-
it's
a proper
it's
one,
no
yeah.
toy, that's for sure.
We hope he's a tuna because he won't do you on the rocks then at least.
Oh, stale, mate. Turn, you bastard.
Look at the rod bend. Jeez. That's insane.
They can use the torch instead on the phone.
Yeah.
That's just like my
that was just
batteries
the
are-
last minute. Sorry, there's a torch light.
Yeah,
on
that's alright.
there.
I haven't got much battery left.
He's getting some line on him now.
Getting some line. Just let me pass because I want to rig up and get back out again.
Yeah, there's stuff's hanging around.
I reckon Paul's a long way from seeing this one, eh?
You bet I am. I think up into 60-pound trace was a good idea. This thing has got a bit of weight to it, eh?
Oh yes.
Yeah, that run pretty much made his intentions clear.
Got a gaff?
Oh, let's just not even think about that yet. Just want my line back.
Yeah. Jesus. Did you put 60 on?
On the lead, yeah, 60-pound leader.
That's a smart idea.
And this is, well, it's P3. Oh, there he goes, he's just turned.
Oh, sweet.
How's that? He's just lifted his head. Was he on the surface, maybe? Just hope it hasn't got any teeth.
Mm. Oh. No!
Oh, you got done.
Ah. That was
It's just a night for it, eh?
I can't pull off that without cutting my hands off.
Wow.
He's on again, folks.
round 2. Oh, no.
Demersal? The other one's on. The other one's on.
Oh, no, I think that's tied up in this one.
Is it?
Yeah. Hang on, let me stand up.
Yeah, flat probably.
Yeah, probably.
Sit down to fish.
Should I wind in?
Oh, I'm going full ham on the drag here.
You don't want to rip the hooks out. The other one, is it on?
Yeah, the other one's part of what's going on here, I think. I think this one might actually just be a pinky.
Just the pinky.
A decent one.
That reel's starting to sound
yeah.
good.
You got
Sorry, Justin, I don't think your reel's sounding too good anymore.
You got your $60 worth out of it. You want a hand there? Good size pig. It's doing that much.
Is it a pink? I don't know. It's, after what's happened so far tonight, I don't really want to make any calls.
Yeah, tough one.
Oh, this reel is not sounding pretty second hand now.
Here we go. It's a Dewey.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a big Dewey. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
It's a beauty.
Wow.
What is this session?
A ripper.
What else?
Oh my god.
Absolute dog.
What else can we do tonight? Got my gulp down his mouth as well.
You got both, but
Yeah, he's got my gulp
wow.
as well. You pig.
Gulp and bait. He's just been sitting
What a
down there
pig.
just chewing it up.
Yeah, that'll do. You. It's all happening out here tonight. What a session. This guy, unfortunately for him, is coming home. It's normally I like to release fish, but Dhufish, not so much.
I'll let you get in.
Because they are
getting them back. So.
about as good as they get. I don't think he's going to go back anyway. He looked pretty dogged
He
when he
ate
got
two
to
baits, eh?
when he got to the surface. He wasn't looking too fancy.
Yes.
Yeah, he'll do.
Yeah,
Is it?
it could be
Oh,
another
it's a
Jew.
snookster. I bet you it's a snookster.
Brian Schnook.
Yeah. Feels exactly like a friggin' snookster.
Wet sock.
It is, look at him. Oh, Johnny Pike. My old mate. Look at the size of this thing. Big snook.
Big snook.
Yeah, apparently it's not over.
Let's go.
Told you I wouldn't try one.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wonder if we're actually going to catch a big pinky tonight.
This could be a pink.
Nah, I'm calling it probably not.
I'm calling it gone.
Again.
Wow.
Sharky work.
Nah, he's back.
Is he?
There it is. It's mid-water, eh? What's going on here?
How many times have we been stitched up tonight?
Came back for it. That's weird. Oh,
Was that the big squid?
yeah.
Lee's in now. You can go full noise on that Drago. You got 80 pounds to play with.
Oh, he's not. He's alright.
Don't want to.
He's not getting too angry.
Listen to that reel. It's sounding
That could be a pinky bite.
pretty second hand.
Head shakes are savage.
Savage?
Yeah.
It could be a pinky.
Oh, it's either the head shakes or it's this real. Something's shaking. Oh, no, that's some savage shakes.
Struggling all the way to town. That's what happens when you say you want to go.
Yeah, well, shouldn't have gave me this reel.
Well, everyone else has been catching and you haven't. That was time, really.
The cameraman was due.
Nah, this is weird, eh? This is weird.
Come on, cameraman. Let's see it happen.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember you said.
I don't know what the hell this is.
Yeah, you said that we weren't catching and it was something you were going to show us how it was done.
Yeah, at least you won't drop it, wasn't it? Something like that. Could be that 80 centimetre, 90 centimetre pink we were after.
Yeah.
Coming out of the depths.
Another Jewy.
Yeah, well,
That'll rub it in.
stranger things have happened.
Oh, here it is.
Here he is. What is he?
Oh, he's a pinky.
No, he's a pinky.
Big pinky?
Yeah,
he's
he's good
decent.
pinky.
Alright.
He's a
a netter.
decent one.
Oh,
We've been
that's a
waiting.
lovely pinky.
Yeah, that's a nice pink. Look at him. Whoa.
That is a beauty.
Yeah, he's a
Now,
big
let me
fat
get there.
dog. Oh, you
And yeah.
really complain about this
that is
for
a
a
good
night's
sized
fishing,
pink,
can you?
That's the target species.
Yeah.
Alright.
He'll go
I
80
think we
in
can
a
go
bit,
home
maybe.
now, eh?
Yeah,
That's-
that'll do.
Nice pinky.
Yep, beautiful.
Right, he's gonna
He
go
can
back
go
in.
back. I think we got enough fish for one night.
Yep, definitely.
He's gone.
Yes.
Nice. Oh. All right. Is that session or are we still staying?
Are we getting more?
I don't know. It seems hard to go when they're still on, eh? Well, that's it for us tonight. I don't even know what to say. That was just a mind-boggling session. It's not often you have an absolute blinder like that in conditions like this. Yeah, just speechless. Awesome.
Crazy time.
Crazy times. We're out of here. It's got really dark now and we're out and I'm probably a chance for the morning anyway. So see you in the next episode.
Yeah.